How you guys doing? This is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home or from wherever they're at. And I'm super excited today because I finally, after all of this time, I've been going for almost 2 years. It'll be 2 years on January 4th. I've been going and teaching people how to start t-shirt businesses, and I have yet to start a video series or anything related to starting out screen printing from home. I like to call it the 6-foot print shop. I have a video where I recommend what I think you should start with for a vinyl business or a custom t-shirt business, but now I get to bring you a video that I've been working to bring you guys since August of 2017 on starting a screen print business from home. Now, I partner with the company Merchmaker. All right, I'll provide the link down below, and we're partnered, so this is an affiliate deal where I promote the product, but this is a product that I firmly believe in, and I think this is the 120% best way to start a screen print business from home. I personally started with one of the little kits from Roundnet. I think it's like $270 or something like that, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less, and I had a hard time. And the reason I had a hard time starting with that kit is because it's not a system. You're using floodlights, you can rig it up to do everything you need to do, but it's not a complete system. It's not exact. And on the other hand, what Merchmaker does is it's one complete set. And the best thing about this is a set that you can have a single press, single head station with a quick release and do multiple colors. Unheard of in this market. Now, I want to tell you that I'm now going to be doing a video series coming to you guys in 2019 where I will be teaching you guys how to start from unboxing to setting it up, which is literally no setup, from burning a screen to printing to doing a single color job, a multi-color job, and showing you how you can start the screen print business with what I consider to be the best way to get into the industry. There are a lot of different options, things you can buy on Amazon, but you know me, I like to bring you guys the right products, not just things that get you going. I want you to make the right purchase the first time, and I'm excited to be able to bring you this video in confidence that come 2019, I will be going all in with starting a screen print business from home, what I would like to call the 6-foot print shop edition, starting your screen print business from home, and I'm super excited. So I'm going to provide the link. You can visit Merchmaker, merchmaker.tshirtsidehustle.com and head over to the website and start to read up and learn, or even order your copy today, your version of it today, and by the time I get it, you'll have it and we can learn together, and I can teach you guys everything that you need to know, and you can offer me some advice if you get a head start. So if you have any questions about this video series, comment below, and I'll make sure I get your questions answered as soon as I get everything in and start to produce that content. It'll be available for you guys. I'm like super excited because I'm gonna show you guys that I sent the first message back in 2017 trying to get access to a machine, and they had one available for me in Tampa, Florida, but I was unable to do it when I was in that area. But now I am 120% confident that I could bring you something that I feel will be valuable to you guys to start screen print business from home. Just get it, a low learning curve, low cost of entry, but a system that you can really use and rely on, and we can have one streamlined process of getting started and learning the business of screen printing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, do all of those things, rate, subscribe, do all of that stuff, and let them know below that you can't wait for this series, because the partnership between me and them is going to depend on you. So if you're interested in learning screen printing, comment below, and make sure you head over to Instagram and follow me at T-Shirt Side Hustle, where I bring you daily content related to the t-shirt industry and anything screen printing, clothing line, or custom t-shirt involved. It's been Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace.